Screen is visible to all of you.
Voice is not.
Yes, sir.
Screen is visible to all of you.
Your voice is not clear.
Sir, voice is not clear.
Voice is not clear.
No, sir. No, sir.
Sir, clear. Yes, sir, clear.
There is some internet
सुना
problem.
ही
That
नहीं दे रहा है.
no. There is some internet problem. Wait. Now my voice is clear.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now in the last class, we have studied about types of lenses. The first was converging lens. We have already discussed this. Next is
Diverging.
what is called concave lens,
और diverging lens.
diverging lens, and the types of diverging lens or concave lens. Now today we are going to study technical terms related to lens.
Center of
Technical terms related to
what?
lens. Yes, the first term is center of
We
curvature.
have to write.
If you want, you can write. Otherwise, I will send this to your link. Okay, I will send this link to all of you on the Snap homework. तो center of curvature क्या है? सबसे पहले ये देखना है. Now here you will see in the figure that this is the convex lens, and when you will complete this figure, in this figure by imaginary lines, this figure is completed. Here you will get one circle. Actually, it should be a sphere, but since it is not a 3D picture, it is a 2D picture, so you are getting one circle. Okay? And when you will complete this surface, again you are getting one circle. Okay? Now every circle will have its center. So this center is called center of curvature of the second surface of the convex lens. And C2 is the center of curvature for the first surface of the convex lens. ये फर्स्ट सरफेस C2 है तुम्हारा फर्स्ट सरफेस से और C1 है तुम्हारा सेकंड सरफेस से. So these two, the center of the sphere whose part is the lens surface is called the center of curvature. Similarly, in case of concave lens, in concave lens, again when you will complete the figure, you will see again two circles are formed. Actually, it should be a sphere, but here we are watching circle. So C1 is the center of curvature for the first surface of the lens, and C2 is the center of curvature for the second surface of the lens. So the first term is center of curvature. So it is the center of the sphere whose part is the lens surface. ये जो लेंस का जो दोनों सरफेस है, ये फर्स्ट सरफेस है, ये सेकंड सरफेस है. ये किसका पार्ट है? ये एक पूरे स्फेयर का पार्ट है. ठीक है, पूरे स्फेयर का एक पार्ट है. So the center of the sphere
Yes, sir.
whose part is the lens surface is called center of curvature. ये हो गया तुम्हारा फर्स्ट टर्म. सेकंड टर्म इज रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर. ठीक है, एक्चुअली हियर देयर विल बी टू रेडियस, तो इसलिए हम लोग कभी कभी वर्ड यूज करते हैं रेडियाई. रेडियाई इज द प्लूरल ऑफ रेडियस. रेडियस इज सिंगुलर एंड रेडियाई इज प्लूरल. तो रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर का मतलब होता है द रेडियस ऑफ द स्फीयर ऑफ विच द पार्ट इज द लेंस सरफेस. अब देखो कहां से रेडियस लेना है. In this figure you will see that this is the first surface of the lens. So from this surface, इस surface से कहीं भी line draw करोगे from the center, you can find its radius. C2 से on the surface of the lens. C2 is the center of curvature for the first surface and C1 is the center of curvature for the second surface. तो C1 से लेके on the second surface कहीं से भी यहाँ से यहाँ लाइन ड्रॉ कर दोगे तो that will be your radius. और C2 से भी second surface first surface पर कहीं भी लाइन ड्रॉ कर दोगे that will be your radius. तो यहाँ पर दोनों साइड रेडियस हो सकता है. R1 is the radius of curvature and R2 is also the radius of curvature. So R2 is the radius of curvature for the first surface of the lens and R1 is the radius of curvature for the second surface of the convex lens. उसी तरह concave lens में आ जाओ. In concave lens center से इस sphere पर sphere के surface पर कहीं भी line draw कर देंगे that will be your radius of curvature. So R1 is the radius of curvature for the first surface of the concave lens and R2 is the radius of curvature for the second surface of the concave lens.
Your voice is not clear.
Okay, now come to the next topic, principal axis. Principal axis. It is the line joining the center of curvature of the two surfaces of the lens. ठीक है? And it can extend on either side of the lens. ये जो line दिख रहा है, straight line, horizontal line, इसी line को हम लोग बोलते हैं principal axis. Principal axis. और ये line जो होगा, ये O से गुजरेगा. O हम लोग बाद में पढ़ेंगे. O is the optical center. In the figure it is given. So principal axis is the line joining the center of curvature. ये line हमेशा दोनों center of curvature को touch करते हुए pass करेगा. And since it is a line, so it can be extended on both the sides of the lens. Okay, the line joining the center of curvature of the two surfaces of the lens, and it can be extended on either side of the lens. This horizontal line is the center. Now the next, optical center. It is the point on the principal axis of the lens through which a ray of light passes undeviated, and it is thus the center of the lens. Optical center lens का एक point है, central point उसको बोलते हैं, center of the lens, such that any ray which passes through it goes undeviated. ठीक है, undeviated. लेकिन you should be very careful while using this optical center कि we are discussing here thin lens. हम लोग thin lens की बात कर रहे हैं, thick lens की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. अगर ये lens thick होता, if this lens would have been thick, then this line will not be a straight line. ये फिर अपने position से deviate कर जाता. ठीक है? Because it is a thin lens, so these two surfaces are very close to it. तो यहाँ पर भी lateral displacement होगा. इस चीज को ध्यान में रखना है. There will be lateral displacement क्योंकि refraction हो रहा है ना. Refraction is taking place at two different surfaces, so there will be lateral displacement. But since we have studied that lateral displacement depends upon the thickness of the glass slab or thickness of the medium, this we have already studied. So इसका lateral displacement will be very less, and since the lateral displacement is very less, the deviated light will be considered as a straight line. वो उतना पता नहीं चलेगा deviation thin lens में. But if the lens will be thick,
Sir, your voice is not clear. Sir, voice is clear.
Okay, there may
Your
be
voice
internet
is
problem.
clear.
There may be internet problem. तो देखो तुम यहाँ पर देखते रहो. So it is the point on the principal axis of the lens through which the ray of light passes undeviated. So it is the center of the lens. तो ये हो गया तुम्हारा optical center. Now the next is principal foci. Foci is the plural of focus, क्योंकि there will be two focus in case of convex lens or concave lens, because light can pass from either side, either from left to right or from right to left. So there will be two focus. So here I have written light can pass through the lens from either direction. So a lens has two principal foci, which are situated at equal distance from the optical center on either side of the lens. And these are known as first focal point या first principal focus भी बोलते हैं, F1, and the second focal point or the second principal focus. Both term you can use. First focal point भी use कर सकते हैं या first principal focus भी use कर सकते हैं. And second focal point or second principal focus, which is denoted by F2. So there will be two focus or two foci for convex lens and two foci for concave lens. So first of all, we'll discuss first focal point, the first principal focus of a convex lens. अब first principal focus किसको बोलते हैं वो देखो. It is a point, ये एक point है on the principal axis of a convex lens such that rays starting from it after refraction becomes parallel to the principal axis. सबसे पहले एक लेंस ड्रॉ करेंगे, उसका एक ऑप्टिकल सेंटर लेंगे और एक प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस ड्रॉ करेंगे. दिस इज योर प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस. द सेंट्रल लाइन इज द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस. ये जो थर्ड लाइन है यही है तुम्हारा प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस. एंड वी विल टेक अ सर्टेन पॉइंट and the name of this point is F1. इस चीज को ध्यान में रखना है. The name of this point is F1. And when the rays of light passing through this F1 passes through the lens, it becomes parallel to the principal axis. अब यहाँ पर कितने इंसिडेंट रे लिए हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have taken 5 incident rays, and after refraction from the lens, you will see that the rays have become parallel. And once the rays become parallel, then that point F1 will called as first principal focus of a convex lens or first focal point of a convex lens. Or the distance between O and F1 is called first focal length of a convex. इसी को focal length कहते हैं. The distance between the optical center and the focus is called the focal length of this convex lens. This is your first principal focus. Okay? Now,
Yes, sir.
here you will see that the third line, the third incident ray is passing through O. So it goes straight without any deviation. Just now we have studied. Any ray which passes through O goes straight without any deviation. तो ये जो third line है ये O से पास हो रहा है. तो जब O से पास हो रहा है तो ये straight पास करेगा without any deviation. बाकी lines में deviation हो रहा है. Central line में deviation नहीं हो रहा है because it is passing through the optical center. Now, second focal point or the second focus of a convex lens, just opposite of the first one. ठीक उसका opposite है. उसमें क्या था? एक पॉइंट से पास हो रहा था तो रिफ्रैक्शन के बाद पैरेलल हो गया. इसमें क्या हुआ? पैरेलल जा रहा है तो रिफ्रैक्शन के बाद is passing through a certain point, and that point is called as second focal point or the second principal focus. So it is the point on the principal axis such that rays coming parallel to the principal axis after refraction through the lens actually meet or actually intersect each other, and that point is called the second focal point or the second principal focus of a convex lens. और इस distance को हम लोग बोलते हैं focal length. Distance between the optical center and F2, यानी कि second focal point, is called the second focal length of a convex lens. It is just opposite of the first one. पहले था point से पास हो रहा तो parallel हो गया. हाँ, parallel हो रहा तो एक point से पास हो रहा. All the rays are converging at this point, and this point is called the second principal. और ये चीज ध्यान में रखना, जो भी फोकस होगा वो प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस पर ही लाई करेगा, प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस से ऊपर ना नीचे नहीं, इट विल लाई ऑन द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस. नाउ फर्स्ट focal point or the first principal focus of a concave lens. We have discussed about convex lens. अब हम लोग concave lens में आ रहे हैं. Concave lens में क्या होता है? It is the point on the principal axis of the lens such that the incident ray of light appearing to meet at it or appear to pass through the focus after refraction it becomes parallel to the principal axis. इस चीज को ध्यान में देना है. ये जो रे है 1 2 3 4 5 इंसिडेंट रे we have taken. These two, the upper two and the lower two incident rays are not actually passing through the focus. इस चीज को ध्यान में रखना है. I have drawn imaginary line. ये imaginary line draw किया हुआ है. It appeared to pass through it. It appeared to pass through it. It is not actually passing through F1. इस चीज को ध्यान में रखना है. Because as the ray falls on the lens, जैसे ही ये रे लेंस पर फॉल करेगा, रिफ्रैक्शन तुम्हारा यहीं से स्टार्ट हो जा रहा है. यहीं से रिफ्रैक्शन होने के बाद it becomes parallel. It is not actually passing through F1. That's why it is written here, incident ray of light appearing to meet at it. या appearing to pass through it. Meet at it भी लिख सकते हैं या appearing to pass through it. ये apparent rays है. ये these are not actual rays. Imaginary lines are not actual rays. These are apparent rays. मतलब जो लग रहा है true है, but actually it is not true. Apparent का मतलब यही होता है false. It appeared to pass through it or it appeared to meet at it. Such that after refraction it becomes parallel to the principal axis. और उस point को कहते हैं first focal length of a concave lens or first focal point of a concave lens. Now the next is second focal point of a concave lens. जिसको हम लोग secondary focus of a concave lens भी बोलते हैं. So it is the point on the principal axis such that the rays of light coming parallel to the principal axis after refraction through the lens appear to diverge from this point. Appear to meet नहीं बोलेंगे, appear to intersect नहीं बोलेंगे, वो गलत हो जाएगा. Appear to diverge लिखेंगे या appear to originate बोलेंगे या appear to come from it बोलेंगे. क्योंकि when you will see this figure, you will see that these rays after refraction लग रहा है कि ये F2 से अब F2 से निकल रहा है, F2 से निकल रहा है, but actually F2 से नहीं originate हो रहा है. Actually F2 से it appears to originate from F2. It is not actually originating from F2. That's why it is written here appear to diverge. Appear to diverge. Okay? So when incident rays are parallel to the principal axis and passing through a concave lens, after refraction, it appears to originate from it, it appears to diverge from it, or it appears to come from it. And that point is called as second focal length या second focal point या secondary focus of a concave lens. So we have studied all the focus of a concave lens as well as convex lens. Adhyan has raised his hand. Yes, what is your problem? Adhyan?
Sir, radius and optical center slides was show.
किसका शो दिखाना है?
The radius and optical center.
सर रेज हैंड गलती से हो गया.
Okay. This is optical center of a convex lens and a concave lens. The first figure is
Yes, sir. And radius.
this is radius of curvature. One thing I would like to say in this radius of curvature, when you will draw the ray diagram, हम लोग इस सरफेस से नहीं लेते हैं रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर. वी विल नॉट टेक द रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर फ्रॉम दिस सरफेस, आइदर फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट सरफेस और फ्रॉम द सेकंड सरफेस. वी विल टेक रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर फ्रॉम पॉइंट O. हम लोग सेंटर से लेते हैं. ठीक है, फिगर में हमने दिखा रखा है फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट सरफेस, क्योंकि ये तुम्हारा स्फेरिकल पार्ट है एंड सर्कमफ्रेंस से सेंटर को अगर हम ज्वाइन करते हैं तो दैट विल बी योर रेडियस. लेकिन व्हेन यू आर ड्राइंग द रे डायग्राम, हम हमेशा O से लेंगे रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर फ्रॉम द सेंटर पार्ट ऑफ द लेंस, सेंट्रल पार्ट ऑफ द लेंस. हमेशा O से स्टार्ट करेंगे, यहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे, ये डिस्टेंस, ना कि ये यहाँ से, ना कि यहाँ से. ऑलवेज फ्रॉम द O. We will study later.
So can you explain center of curvature once again?
Center of curvature. Yes.
Can you again explain, sir? First,
Which one?
focal point.
Focal point of which lens? First, second, concave, convex, or
Concave.
concave? Yes, first focal point of a concave lens. When the incident rays appear to pass through a particular point, after refraction it becomes parallel. वो इंसिडेंट रे अगर
convex lens.
You were asking for convex lens.
No sir, concave.
तो concave ही तो है स्क्रीन पर. This is concave only. When the incident ray appear to pass through a particular point, appear to pass through, इस चीज को ध्यान रखना, or appear to meet at it, after refraction it becomes parallel. So these rays are not actually passing through F1. To us it appears to pass through F1. क्योंकि जैसे ही इंसिडेंट रे लेंस पर फॉल होगा, it becomes parallel to the principal axis, and that particular point is called as first focal point of a concave lens. सेकंड भी डिस्कस कर चुके थे. When parallel होगा इंसिडेंट रे, after refraction it appears to diverge from it, no, or it appears to come from it, or it appears to originate from it. Next is three special rays or principal rays in construction of the ray diagram. When you will draw the ray diagram, these rays or these rules are very important to draw the ray diagram. जब तक ये rules को नहीं समझोगे, you cannot draw the ray diagram. So, three special rays or principal rays in constructing the ray diagram. So, पहला ray को देखो of a convex lens. You will see that incident ray parallel to the principal axis, after refraction it passes through F. Can you name that F? वो F कौन सा F है? सेकेंडरी फोकस है या प्राइमरी फोकस है?
Primary focus.
Secondary focus.
Secondary. It is secondary.
Secondary
Yes.
focus.
Yes, yes. It is secondary focus. Very good. It is secondary focus.
Secondary focus.
Okay. So first is incident ray parallel to the principal axis. After refraction, it passes through the secondary focus. Now come to the concave lens. Concave lens में भी वही है. Incident ray parallel to the principal axis. After refraction, क्या होगा? Complete the sentence. After refraction.
Diverges.
Huh?
It diverges. It diverges.
From where? From where?
Primary.
From down.
It appears to diverge from secondary focus. For concave lens, this F is your secondary focus. इस चीज को ध्यान में रखना है. incident ray parallel to the principal axis after refraction from the concave lens, it appears to diverge. यहाँ word समझना है.
Appear to diverge from the F.
Yes, appears to diverge or appears to originate या appears to or come from it. ठीक है? From the secondary focus.
Second focus.
Okay.
Second focus.
अब देखो सेकंड फिगर को देखो. सेकंड फिगर इज जस्ट अपोजिट ऑफ द फर्स्ट वन. ठीक उसका अपोजिट है. पहले पैरेलल था तो फोकस से पास हुआ. अब फोकस से पास हो रहा है तो पैरेलल हो गया.
Parallel.
ठीक है. इंसिडेंट रे पैरेलल टू द फोकस आफ्टर रिफ्रैक्शन इट बिकम्स पैरेलल टू द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस. कनकेव लेंस में भी वही है. इंसिडेंट रे व्हिच अपीयर्स टू पास थ्रू फोकस. यहाँ वर्ड हम यूज कर रहे हैं appears to pass through focus after refraction it becomes parallel to the principal axis.
Parallel to the principal axis.
Yes, correct. और third है any ray which passes through the optical center it goes
Optical
undeviated.
lens.
Any ray which passes through optical center it goes undeviated. So these are the three rules or three special rays in the construction of ray diagram and the theory. इसका statement हम second slide में दिखा रहे हैं. ये है statement. पहला statement क्या है? A ray of light incident parallel to the principal axis of the lens after refraction passes through the second focus or f2 in the convex lens or appear to come from the second focus in concave lens. दोनों हम एक ही में जोड़ दिए. It passes through the secondary focus. इस लेंस में, convex lens में, और appear to come from the secondary focus in concave lens. Both the statement I have written in the single point. ये पहला का फर्स्ट वाले का दिखा रहे हैं. सेकंड का हो रहा है. सेकंड का देखो. A ray of light passing through the first focus f1 or directed towards the first focus emerges parallel to the principal axis after refraction. A ray of light passing through the first focus.
Your
Or-
voice is not clear.
Achha, I have written on the screen. You can see that also.
Sir,
A ray
what
of
is clear?
a ray of light passing through the first focus f1 in a convex lens or directed towards the focus in a concave lens emerges parallel to the principal axis after refraction. और third point क्या देखे थे? A ray of light incident on the optical center of the lens passes undeviated through the lens. अगर optical center से pass हो रहा है तो it will go undeviated.
Undeviated.
Yes. So these are the figures and I have shown you the statement in the next slide. ये था तुम्हारा statement. All of you have seen it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today we will study till here only.
The
We
time
will
is
study up
over.
Sir, you have told me to send the answers of the sir that worksheet.
Which answer? Which answer? All of you unmute yourself.
Sir, the worksheet sir which have you sent?
That-
In which sir we have to draw the sir refracted deviated rays
हाँ
of
हाँ
glass
हाँ
slab and prism.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
So you have not sent the answer.